If you are over 50, 60, or even 70 years old and feel your strength decreasing, that your muscles no longer respond like they used to, that climbing stairs or carrying a bag seems increasingly difficult, pause for a moment and take a breath. Today I'm going to show you something simple, affordable, and incredibly effective, capable of transforming your body and restoring confidence in the coming weeks. I'm not talking about intense gyms, expensive supplements, or internet miracles. I'm talking about a simple porridge you can prepare at home, but so powerful that longevity experts call it the nighttime muscle rebuilding meal. Seriously, after seeing this, you'll never look at porridge the same way again. And the most surprising thing? It works while you sleep. Yes, while you rest, your body works intensely, rebuilding the muscle fibers lost over the years. And if you're wondering, will this work for me? The answer is most likely yes. What I'm going to reveal doesn't depend on genetics, fitness level, or age. It only depends on giving your body the right nutrients at the right time. Before I show you the full recipe, you need to understand why it works so well. And yes, science confirms it. But first, tell me in the comments, have you noticed a loss of strength in recent years? Knowing your experience helps me create content that can really make a difference. Because what you'll see today could be the first step to reclaiming something precious: your independence, your movement, and your energy. Over time, many start to notice the first signs: less strength, more fatigue, difficulty performing simple tasks like getting out of bed, climbing stairs, or carrying a bag. It doesn't happen overnight, but gradually. This phenomenon has a name: sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle mass after age 50. And the most unfair part? Many think it's normal, that it's part of aging, but it's not quite like that. It's a clear sign that your muscles need support. The good news is that there is a simple and powerful way to help the body regain strength. Now that you understand why, over time, many lose muscle tone, let's move to the most important part. I'm talking about a special porridge, but it's not just any porridge. Here's why this porridge is so powerful. It provides proteins, amino acids, fiber, vitamins, and minerals exactly when the body needs them most. But wait, I want to explain why it works so well. Recent longevity studies examined the effect of small protein portions before sleep, and the results are amazing. People over 50 who consumed protein before bed had higher muscle synthesis, less strength loss, and better overnight recovery. This porridge isn't just tasty and easy to prepare, it acts as a shield against muscle loss. But before I give you the full recipe, you need to understand the scientific explanation behind its effect. It's simple, clear, and will open your eyes. Here is the #1 reason experts recommend this nighttime meal. To understand why it works so well, we need to look at muscle protein synthesis, the process through which the body rebuilds muscles. And the key detail is that it happens mostly during sleep. This means that what you eat at night plays a huge role. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that adults over 60 who consumed protein before bed increased overnight muscle rebuilding by up to 25%. In practice, the protein becomes the raw material to repair fibers damaged during the day. Another study in the Netherlands confirmed that slow-release proteins like oats, milk, and seeds are absorbed throughout the night, continuously feeding the muscles. And there's more. Harvard experts explain that foods rich in fiber and B vitamins like oats reduce inflammation that weakens muscles. This means the nighttime meal not only rebuilds muscles, but also protects against accelerated muscle loss. Now comes the moment you were waiting for, the preparation. Let's start with the ingredients, and then I'll explain the function of each. Ingredients for a highly nutritious serving: 3 tablespoons of oats, fine or coarse flakes, 200 milliliters of milk, even better if plant-based, almond, soy, oat, 1 tablespoon of chia or flax seeds, half a mashed banana or 1 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of protein powder, plant-based or hydrolyzed collagen, optional extra, 1 tablespoon of pure cocoa. Preparation. First step, hydrate the chia or flax seeds for 5 minutes in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. This creates a gel rich in omega-3 that lubricates joints, improves digestion, and slowly releases nutrients overnight, preventing bloating or digestive discomfort. Second step, heat the milk with the oats on low heat, stirring slowly so they absorb the liquid. Oats release beta-glucans that reduce muscle inflammation and promote recovery. Third step, add banana or honey. Banana adds creaminess and provides potassium, essential to prevent nighttime cramps and support muscle contraction. Honey helps stabilize blood sugar and improve sleep, crucial for building muscles. Fourth step, add the hydrated seeds, which ensure slow and continuous release of proteins throughout the night. Fifth step, add the protein, the key ingredient. Whey, plant-based protein, or hydrolyzed collagen, mixing with the heat off to preserve its structure. This is what the body will use to rebuild muscles while you sleep. Sixth step, cinnamon, and if you like, cocoa. Cinnamon reduces inflammation, improves circulation, and insulin sensitivity. Cocoa boosts energy, antioxidants, and flavor without sugar. How to consume for maximum results. 40 to 60 minutes before sleep. The perfect time to stabilize blood sugar, start digestion, and release amino acids during deep sleep, enhancing protein synthesis. 3 to 5 times per week. Many notice improvements by the second week, but the most noticeable results appear after 30 days. Real example, a 70-year-old woman, Mrs. Anna. For years, she thought losing strength and having weak legs was normal. Sarcopenia made even the simplest actions difficult. A physical therapist explained that muscles age because they are not properly nourished. So she decided to try the porridge every night as instructed. After 1 week, she felt less tired upon waking. In the second week, her legs no longer shook when getting out of bed. After a month, she could climb stairs without stopping, something she hadn't done in years. She said, "I thought my strength was gone forever, but it was just asleep." Exactly. Sometimes all muscles need is the right stimulus at the right time. This porridge does exactly that while you sleep. So remember, your body still has strength, it just needs to be awakened. It's not magic. It's a simple, nutritious, and intelligent strategy. Even if you are 50, 60, or 70, even if you feel weak, even if you thought it was impossible, you can start with small, simple steps, like this recipe. If Mrs. Anna regained leg strength after years, thousands of people are reversing muscle loss with easy changes. You can too. Your body wants to live better, and you deserve this chance. Tell me in the comments, will you try the porridge tonight before bed? And if you like videos that help recover health naturally and simply, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next content.